In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create and place internal links within InLinks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at all of the pages that InLinks has brought in, or that you have brought in as per the project setup in the previous video. To create internal links, you're going to want to focus on this target topic. Now you can see over here that InLinks is saying there's 0 internal links going in and 0 internal links going out of our homepage or our affiliate page or any of the pages. This is because it's not showing existing internal links. These numbers are only showing the internal links created within InLinks. So don't get worried about that too early on. So what you're going to want to do is target your most important pages with their most important entity, or the entity that makes them unique. So, for example, this case studies page exhibits a single entity, which is the entity of case studies. It's our pillar page for case studies, and all our other case study pages can be linked towards this page to strengthen the entity. I pressed target there, and then you come down here and you can see that case study has popped up in the entity list. It has this number 6, which means the potential links to this page. That means there's 6 other times on the 50-ish pages that I've brought into this project that we're talking meaningfully around the concept of case studies. If we press select here, InLinks will start to create internal links going towards this. I'll just do a few more to get the ball rolling. The best thing to do is to refresh this page after you've made any meaningful changes through targeting. And you can see now that InLinks has popped up with a few internal links going towards the pages that we have targeted. So 5 internal links are now going into the audience finder page, all around this idea of audience. You can see that the anchor texts are varied and they talk around the concept, and they're coming from pages that are meaningful to this page. The same thing has happened down here with content, where internal links are coming in. To put these links live, all you need to do is activate this JavaScript code. Everyone gets their own unique JavaScript code when they sign up and create a new project. If you put that JavaScript code live, all of the internal link suggestions in here become live on your site. This is optional, however, and you can always take InLinks as a suggestion tool, so you can start to hard code these links for yourself over time. Let's take a quick look at when the target topic doesn't pop up in the list. So, for example, when you click on AI writing tool, there might not be a single entity that exists to help this. We have the idea of a tool, we have the idea of OpenAI, but we don't have an AI writing tool. To combat this, all you need to do is go to Advanced Options and head over to this Context and Silo tool. You need to pick the main entity of the page, which I would suggest would be AI, and then the context, which would be tool. You can save this, and now you have created your own entity that is contextually relevant to the main entity on the page. You've essentially expanded that entity. So now InLinks will be looking for when you're talking about AI alongside tools, and then it will place an internal link going towards that page. It's really good to note that actually this context tool does significantly decrease the amount of internal links that get placed. So it's good to use this sparingly, but it's a really nice way to create more complex entities where they otherwise don't exist. The only other thing you might want to do is head over to your homepage, and it feels really easy to want to target this with your main entities. Like, we talk about SEO and tools and hyperlinks and scalability, sure, but if every time we talk about those on our supporting pages, Is it right to place an internal link going towards this homepage? Not really, because it's going to direct our users back to our homepage a lot without very much information there. So for your homepage, I always recommend heading over to advanced options and having a look at these keywords to insert a keyword. And that keyword should probably just be your business name. You can save that. And now every time we talk about the word InLinks, it places it back to our homepage. I think that makes a hell of a lot more sense than doing all of the other entities that you might talk about. It's better to keep those entities to the specific pages that exist. You can then start to edit these internal links on the left-hand side. So all of the internal links that we create can be found over here. You can sort these by target pages to make it a lot nicer to look at. So every time we're talking about content optimization, it's going to our best content optimization tools. This might not be the best strategy. We might have a better page for this, but for the purposes of the demo, this makes sense. So we've created a lot of internal links going towards that page, a lot of really nice internal links going to our audience page, and a lot of InLinks related pages going towards this one. It is at this point you can also remove and edit any of the links that InLinks has created. So if anything looks wrong in this list or you just don't want it in there, then you can always come to the remove section over here and press that. And it will be removed live from your site. You can see it goes to removed. If you want to actually change the idea of the entire anchor text, all you need to do is press on the source page, find where that internal link has been placed. You'll know because it will be placed with a dotted underline within InLinks, but it will look exactly the same as your existing internal links on your site. Press it, and then you can resize it over here to maybe just read by humans, or actually it's probably best to keep in the entity. So we go. We also have a feature which allows you to do a full internal link audit of your already hard-coded links. So where this page focuses more on the links opportunities and the potential links that InLinks can place for you, the static internal links take a look at the hard-coded links you already have on your site. So out of the 50 pages I've brought in, we have 73 hard-coded links with 3 redirects, no broken links, thankfully, and a whole load of these can be seen below. You can edit these directly from InLinks, so your hard-coded internal links can actually be manipulated from within InLinks through the JavaScript code. So if we wanted to delete something, you just have to go to edit and redirect it or leave it blank to create or remove the internal link. Static external links is a really awesome one as well, because we can see where we're linking towards, who we're linking towards, and if those are broken or not. A really cool feature here is also that we can remove the broken internal links just by a click of a button. So just head over and add your JavaScript code, toggle this on, and all of your broken links will be removed.